Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. I want to talk about a new stock here and just go over a couple things. I'm going to go over a little bit of current news, check the technicals real quick, and just go over what the future of EV charging is as a whole and a couple other things. So let's go. So this is new news as of today that Volta is partnering with Floor & Decor to provide electric vehicle charging, and this currently is just for 8 stations by the end of 2021. Now, how big is Floor & Decor? Well, let's see here. They were founded in the year 2000, so at the end of fiscal 2020, they operate 133 large warehouses. So think about that. There's a lot of growth potential there, as we move along, and who knows who else will team up with Volta. And they perform installations every day in front of premium businesses, which means money because they actually operate where you get your charging for free, but they have ads on there, and that basically the revenue there from marketing is paying for the charging. But they have 99 million electric miles delivered, 3.9 million gallons of gas saved so far with these chargers. And see what I mean? We have these little ads here, 55-inch screens. There's basically a pilot project going on currently that tries to get the message out to drivers about the benefits of electric vehicles. And, people drive to their favorite stores, they'll see these kinds of things, see that there's chargers all over the place, Here you have quoted by JD Power. Owners are reasonably happy in situations where public charging is free, doesn't require a wait, and the location offers other things to do, such as shopping. But that represents a best case scenario. Now take note, ChargePoint is actually third behind Volta's free charging service for level 2 charging, whereas ChargePoint is ranked second for fast charging, right behind Tesla. And ChargePoint is another company I'm very bullish on. I think they're going to crush their next earnings. And, it's just been totally beaten down in the last few weeks. Volta chargers are accessible to all major plug-in hybrids and battery electric vehicle types, but there is one that they actually don't do, and that would be CHAdeMO. But they're saying that Volta is using the CCS charging standard, not CHAdeMO, because Volta believes that there should be one open DC fast charging standard. And they're building the network that they believe will best meet the needs of the electric vehicle production over a longer time horizon. Over time, we're looking at about a 33% compound annual growth rate, all the way up to the year 2028. So we're talking about 7 or so years. And the light blue is actually CCS, which is the type of chargers that Volta supplies, and that is the biggest segment of that 33%. So just keep that in mind. While CHAdeMO seems to be just slowly growing in comparison with others also slowly growing. The CCS segment is expected to grow at the fastest compound annual growth rate over the forecast period. Now, another reason I want to buy this, and I have actually been buying, and I will continue to as it keeps going down. It's just such a small market cap for the future potential we have here with charging. And, I just see this as a huge upside, and so do the analysts. They see it as a $14 one-year price target, with 4 saying buy. Glancing at the technicals, it does seem to be consolidating sideways, which it has done that before and kind of faked people out and kept dropping. But I feel like it's very close to a bottom. The RSI is curling upwards. One last thing I forgot to bring up is so when they did the merge, it valued the combined entity at over 2 billion, and currently we're actually under that, which is kind of funny. And it is typical after a merger for the company to have a sell-off, kind of a buy the rumor, sell the news. That's another reason I'm bullish on this. There's a lot of SPACs that have just been beaten down and then they just turn around and start rising. We've seen that with a lot of companies, DraftKings, Switchback, which is ChargePoint, another EV charger, And that's basically all I got. Just wanted to bring up some good news here on a stock that keeps just going down. I am very bullish on the EV sector, on charging. So thanks again, guys. I'll leave a couple links below so you can do some further research. I just wanted to put this on your radar because I think it's at a fantastic buy right now. And so do a lot of other people.